Brad Williams, XL Prime. Let's figure out the number of monthly payments. Here we have the exact same situation, 10 grand, 6% interest, monthly payments of 165.44, 6%. We're going to use a different tool here. We're going to use number of periods as opposed to, say, the payment or the rate or the PV or FV functions. We're going to use the number of periods. Excel does some magic in very simple terms. It's going to look at this, 84 is already here. So what do? We're going to have to substitute the monthly payment in there. So we have C5 divided by C8. Well, we know that interest rate divided by 12 is going to be 0.05, 0.5%. C6, that's your payment. Negative C4 is the 10 grand. And it comes out to 84. Over here on your right is your write-up. Here's the anatomy. Calculates the number of payment periods. Mess around with this. You see the entire layout of Excel's mortgage or loan or future value or annuity structure. All we're doing is using the different tools to come up with principal, interest rate, and time. Within that, everything either rests on the present value or future value. Brad Williams, XL Prime.